This video will show you how to install the CMapp application. Go up to our website at rvdinstruments.com, or if you have a memory stick, you can access the installation folders from there. Product microCMA Analyzer. Scroll down towards the bottom of the page and we will see microCMA CMapp application. Click on that link. It will download the program. Once it's ready to install, go ahead and you can click on either one of these will run it. I'll just go ahead and click on Setup. Okay, Windows pops up and says don't run because we're not safe. Of course we are. Go to Application, More Information, and then say Run Anyway. Yes. Go next. You can install it for everyone or just yourself. Next. Confirm installation. Installation complete. And close. Alright, that completes the installation of the CMapp application.